Hi there, Diane Doyle here with Plant-Based Dallas, and I just recently purchased some King Trumpet mushrooms. I got them at the Thai store, and brand new vegan has a pulled pork recipe, but it's using the Trumpet mushrooms, and it says to use a fork and sort of separate it like this. As you can see, we're getting large chunks just like it would be pork. And it's got a marinade that you put it in: barbecue sauce, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, yellow mustard, and liquid smoke. And you leave it marinating for maybe a few hours, and then you just cook it on the stove. So I'm anxious to try this and see what it tastes like. It really does shred well, like some sort of meat. I'm gonna take the cap off. The caps don't really shred. I'm gonna just cut them up into long pieces. But you just take your fork like this and just keep going from one side to the other and shred it just like this. And I will post some pictures once I finish, and we'll see how it is. Y'all have a great day. Stay plant strong, and look for your King Trumpet mushrooms. Now, apparently I hear they're very expensive, so I did not go to Whole Foods or Central Market to get them. I went to a Thai store, and there's a Heap Thai food store at 3347 Walnut. And if you can stand the horrible dead fish smell, you can get all sorts of mushrooms at a lot greater reduced price than you would at other stores here in Dallas. So look for a Thai food store for these exotic mushrooms to make barbecue out of them. We'll let you know how they do, but as you can see, they're shredding really, really nicely. All right, y'all have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, I have marinated these mushrooms now for 24 hours, and I have just drained them because the recipe says to drain them to get all the liquid out. But then it says to add a little bit more barbecue sauce when you cook them. So I did want to show you what they look like. And they're a little bit long. I may end up cutting them. It just depends on, after they've been cooked, how soft they are. But it looks delicious and smells delicious. Again, these are the King Trumpet or Trumpet King mushrooms that I mentioned that I got at an Asian store. Okay, so now we're gonna try and cook them up. Okay, this cooked down significantly. Remember, I didn't have the full amount of mushrooms I needed for the recipe, but that's okay because we're just trying it out this time. This is delicious. I'm gonna make a vegan coleslaw to put on the bread too, so we'll have a smattering of the barbecue mushrooms with some vegan coleslaw on top. But you guys, this is really, really good. And I did end up cutting it because some of those pieces were a little bit long, and this will be a lot easier to chew. But oh my gosh, the texture, everything about this is really delicious. So y'all should try this. Have a great day. Bye-bye.